The 3D denture clinic here at the Gore unit really is a state-of-the-art system. There's only 4 of the system that we're using in the United States at all. 3 of them are being operated by the U.S. military, and the one that's here at the Gore unit.
If you're familiar with 3D printing of any sorts, it puts down a thin layer, cures it, thin layer, and it just keeps stacking.
The system itself is state-of-the-art. I mean, being able to actually take the process of making dentures and not only cut its monetary cost down to around $100 a pair, but to be able to cut the speed of production down to just 3 or 4 days, really. Somebody's going from walking into the clinic with no teeth to walking out with a full set of dentures that they can use and literally change their lives.
I think I feel real blessed that I'm being able to get teeth that make me feel better, and just go in and eat with the rest of the people and eat what they eat. Even I could smile better, so I feel all right.
You see in every patient that comes through this clinic a little gleam in their eye that wasn't there before. I mean, the vast majority of these folks that have been seen by this clinic so far have been without teeth for over a decade, the majority of them. And it's one of those things that people who have teeth, I don't think can truly grasp the impact that it has, not just physically, but psychologically. Walking out with a smile is priceless.
Believe me. Oh, look here. Yeah. I got some teeth, man.